1, 2, 3. What's up,
Hey, we miss you. We wish you were here. I don't know why you didn't send your son on an airplane all by yourself. You're a horrible father.
Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened.
Before we take off, be sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrests are lowered, and your tray table is put away.
What's up, brah?
What's up, brother? You made it, man.
Yeah.
We're going right back this way.
What's going on, guys? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to another weekend in the lawn. I wanted to go ahead and pause here real quick to give you guys a little bit of context to what's going on here. Basically, all the footage you're going to be seeing today is going to be from my trip to Lawncology Summit 2019. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's an educational gathering being put on by our good buddy John Perry, the CEO of Green County Fertilizer, for the pros in the industry to learn a little bit more about soil science, plant science, as well as better improved strategies on how to promote and run their businesses. Myself and a couple other creators from the YouTube community were given an opportunity to come out here, learn about the industry, and have a great time. So for that, I want to say a big thank you to a couple people here. Number one, Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut. Thank you very much for booking my flights and getting me to Orlando safely. I really appreciate you for that, brother. And overall, a big thank you to John Perry of Green County Fertilizer for giving me this opportunity to attend this conference, learn about the industry, and showing me a good time. From here, the footage you're going to see is going to be from the event. Now, keep in mind, I didn't take a lot of footage. I was really trying to stay engaged with all the PowerPoint presentations and lectures that were going on, but I did manage to get quite a handful of footage here that I'll be able to throw together for you guys and hopefully make it entertaining. With all that being said, let's go to it.
So every time you take something out that's getting hot, that's getting coverage, right? So you get more heat on that area, it actually cooks the grass back and it gets bigger. And then you get more of an infestation. So you just make the problem worse. It just eats away at itself, okay? So you have to really watch that. If you're gonna take out an area, something like that around here, you better cover it up quick. I'm gonna say that for anywhere. So you gotta watch what you're killing and how much space you're going to create in an exposed area, because you will get more weeds because of control if you don't watch it. I'll point to Connor here for a second. He has trained his grass to be about as short as it can be, but he has trained it. He works on it all the time. So if a person wants that, just tell them you're going to be there every other day, and that service is going to be expensive. That's all. They're just going to hire you to be a superintendent. That's not bad. You go in like, I don't know, starting wage to a good golf course. Like $85,000 a year. I will be here every morning. I'll cut it. I'll check. I'll do soil readings. I'll do the whole thing, and you won't even have to worry about it. 85 grand is where I start, and I didn't have another job to take care of. So you're only going to be there between 5:30 and 7:30 every morning, and that's it. So that's all.
Now, okay, so the current model is we treat yards. We know we start rolling into April, or depending on where you are, maybe February, it could be June, but it starts to appear. We go get the backpack, and then we go spot treat it, do some squirting. And then we forget about it, we go back to the office, and then we get a call for a service call, and then you yell at your technician, you go back out, get another backpack, say, man, I just already sprayed that, it didn't work, what happened? And then we go back to the office, then you get another service call, and this time they're really pissed, like, you've come out and sprayed this thing 3 times, and you haven't killed the sedge yet, what happened? What are you doing? Do you know what you're doing? I do know what I'm doing. I'm a damn good technician. I sprayed that sedge. I mixed it right. I added surfactant.
So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to, don't rub too hard or you end up like me. So I'm going to build up some static inside the belt. You see how it sticks in my finger? Because there's static in it.
That's awesome.
You gotta love that stuff. It's amazing stuff. Can you get the full fly around? Can I mention you back?
It was worth $20, wasn't it?
The mistake.
I haven't swam in like 6 months. This is the best feeling in the world. Hey, do a swan dive.
That's borderline nudity.
These people, that's why. This is one of my boys who works for me. I've known him since 16 years old. That was like 2 years ago. You know me.
How's the water?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Hey, Paul.
Yes.
Can you see Jake?
Yeah, right here. I can't see where he's at. So I can go through.
Hold your hand up.
All right, here we go.
10 seconds. Stay in there, Paul.
All right. 3.
By the way, check this out. Actually a pretty big St. Augustine runner here. Look at that. These plants, especially St. Augustine, has a very interesting growth pattern. So the way this grass works is it spreads via these stolons, right? And then it has these nodes, and with every node it pushes a root into the ground. Interesting.